any issues or have questions, drop a comment below. I'll be sure to respond. So today I'm thrilled to show you how to create a rotating sphere with a starry background effect on your web page. This project combines CSS and JavaScript to produce a visually stunning result. Let's break down the process. First, we'll handle the CSS. The CSS code sets up a flexbox layout to center the rotating sphere within the viewport, ensuring it's perfectly positioned. We also apply a dark background color to the web page to enhance the contrast and simulate a night sky. The sphere itself is styled as a circular element, and we use a background image that animates its position to create the effect of motion, making the sphere appear to rotate. Inside the sphere, we have a class named .starlight. This class is essential for our starry effect. It generates numerous small glowing stars that animate to mimic twinkling. The CSS animations control this twinkling effect, making it seem as though the stars are shimmering randomly, adding a touch of magic to our scene. Next, we'll dive into the JavaScript. The script dynamically adds star elements to the page, calculating their positions and animations to create a sparkling effect. This part of the code ensures that the stars move and twinkle in a natural way, enhancing the starry background and making the entire effect come to life. So, to summarize, our CSS will center the sphere and create the dark background, style the sphere as a rotating element, and animate the stars to twinkle. The JavaScript will handle the dynamic addition and animation of the star elements to complete the effect. Now, let's get started on this exciting project.